These are the ingredients.
Now we are going to show you step by step on how to make Kuih Lapis. First, pour in 500 ml of water, boiled water. Next, pour 100 ml of lukewarm coconut milk. Now, I'm going to add in 160 grams of sugar. Next, can you pass me the rice flour? Can you tell them how many grams is it?
190 grams white salt.
Yes, thank you. Okay. Now I'm going to add in the wheat flour, 60 grams. Finally, this is the corn flour, 60 grams. Don't forget is 1 teaspoon of salt.
Okay, now I divided the batter into 3 portions. This is original color and this is blue color, which comes from blue pea flour. Right. We can add 3 tablespoons. Now this is the green color, which comes from pandan leaves. And we need to add 3 tablespoons.
Now we have 3 different colors. Okay, now we have 3 portions, and I'm going to put this into an oil pan. First layer, I'm going to add in the original color. So I'm going to add in 12 spoonfuls. And now we are going to ready, and we are going to steam it. Now I put in the steamer, and I'm going to let it steam for 7 minutes. Hi, now as you can see, the first layer is cooked, and I'm going to add in the second layer, which is a blue color, same amount, and I'm going to put back in the steamer, let it steam for 7 minutes. Now, can you see the second layer is done, and I'm going to repeat the process of layering. The third layer, I'm going to do until the batter finish. Okay, this is the last layer, and I'm going to let it steam for 20 minutes to make sure it's all thoroughly cooked. As you can see, our Kuih Lapis is ready, and I let it cool for 20 minutes. Now it's time to cut and serve it. I'm using a knife that is being oiled first. Now is the best part of all, that you get to eat. Sedap tak?
Sedap.
Sedap. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Till then, goodbye.
Bye.